everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I have a special video for you guys. I am doing another collaboration video, which I am so excited for because I love these type of videos. I am collaborating with the beautiful Bettina here on YouTube. Her channel's name is The Makeup Enthusiast, which I love that name. I wish I would have came up with that name. I love that name for a channel. Now, if you haven't heard about Bettina, you are in for a treat. I will absolutely link her channel down below. She does project pans as well as creative ideas. She has a lot of fun ideas. For the month of April, she did post every single day. She does live streams, which I wish one day I could do, but she does do live streams on a weekly basis. She loves colorful looks. She likes neutral looks. She is also on a low buy and budgeting, and the best part about everything about her, she lives in Australia and has the best accent of life. I love listening to her voice. Her voice is so soothing and relaxing, and I am all about the accents. She is super, super sweet. So she had asked me if we wanted to do a collab, and I said absolutely. So we have tried to figure out what to do for a while now, and I think we came up with something fun for you guys, and use a palette that we both haven't really showcased on our channel, but we have stated that we have it in our collection. So we figured let's use that one. And it's so interesting to know that she lives in Australia and I live in the States, and we both have this specific palette that we both bought out of the UK, which is so, it just like boggles my mind when you really think about it. Like, wow, somebody from Australia, you know, like I thought we were gonna have a hard time finding a palette that we both had because we live on two different sides of the world basically, but we narrowed it down. It was super quick and easy. So anyway, we're gonna use the Certifeye Tropical Wonders palette. I remember sharing this with you guys. I have used this off camera, but I've never used it on camera. So what we're gonna do is we both emailed each other shades to use for this video. We both did not open up our emails. We are gonna open it up right now on camera as we do this. So I'm gonna see what 5 shades she picked for me, and I have to come up with a look with that. So I'm going to go into my emails. I'm gonna pull up her email. I already read what she wrote to me, but I did not open it up. So I'm gonna tap it open now. It's downloading. Ooh, oh my goodness. So this is what she came up for me. And you know, the funny thing is, I picked 1, 2, 3, I think 3 of the shades she picked for me, I ended up picking for her as well, which is so interesting. So funny because she picked my colors like a day before I picked her colors, and I didn't even open this up to even know this. So we're gonna use these 5 shades. So she picked Tuscan, which is right here. She picked Firefish, Starling, Atlantic, and Bermuda. All right, we're just gonna wing it, you guys. Start out with the usual suspect, which is the traditional one. I'm gonna use Tuscan just as my transitional shade. It makes more sense to use the lightest shade. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that one. Okay, so for the next shade, I think I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here called Firefly. I'm gonna put this more concentrated on the crease, and hopefully it'll go well. Well, that is pretty. Now, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this palette is all matte, so you will not see any shimmer shades. So hopefully the mistakes I made, if I make any, will not show as much. Just gonna grab a clean blending brush and just gently blend out these edges here. All right, so this is what we have so far. Now for the lid, I think I want to use a mixture of things. So I think I'm going to start out with Bermuda, which is down here, and then I'm going to go in with Atlantic, and I think I'm going to save Starling for the lower lash line. Let's see how this works. Just try to grab some clean brushes. I'm going to start out with Bermuda, and I'm going to put this in the inner corner first of my lid. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with Atlantic, which is that nice, beautiful blue. Holy moly. Holy crap, that's gonna be pigmented. Just gonna blend out the edges. And I do have some fallout from that blue, so I'm just gonna wipe it away. Trying to blend as I go so I don't make a mess. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of Tuscan, which is that orange shade. I'm just gonna put it up here because I lost a little bit of it over here. There we go. And now for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab Starling, which is that dark plummy purple. That's almost like blue purple. And I'm not gonna do it as dark. All right, you guys, so this is the best we're gonna get. As you guys can see, I have the green, the blue, then a little bit of the purple, yellow, and then the deep purple at the bottom. So I used all 5 shades going with this. It actually doesn't look bad. I tried to blend it as best as I could. Surprisingly, even though this is all matte, sometimes using all matte colorful shades are a little bit harder than using shimmery, because shimmeries are more forgiving than mattes. So you have to like start slow, or you will see a hot mess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a liner and then do mascara. And then we'll come back to, I'll share with you guys what lip I use so you guys can see the whole entire look put together. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I did not put any false lashes. I typically do like to put false lashes whenever I do a makeup tutorial. But here in the States right now, we are in springtime and allergies are high as can be, and I do not want to take any chances with having lashes on, and I'm constantly sneezing and having a stuffy nose and whatever else. So I've taken a break with falsies this week whenever I have filmed, so that's the reason why you don't see falsies. So I did just put on mascara, but I still feel like it looks really nice. I loved how the look came out. It was a bit difficult just because of all of the mattes, but I had fun. I really did have fun challenging myself. She did pick different shades like out of each row, so it wasn't just like all warm tones or all purples. So I appreciate that very much. Now I do want to mention what I put on my lips. Because my eyes were all completely matte, I wanted a glossy lip to kind of balance it out. I didn't want to do all matte. So I went with this Neutrogena Moisture Stick Color Stick in Almond Nude. And this is one of my favorite colors. I love this formula. So it's one of my favorite colors, and that's exactly what I'm wearing on my lips. Neutral to the point, so then it doesn't compete with my eyes. So that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're coming here from Bettina's channel, welcome. I hope you stick around and join the family. Thank you, Bettina, for doing this with me. This was so much fun. It was challenging, but it's a great challenge to have. If you are not subscribed to Bettina and would like to go subscribe to her, check out her channel. Everything will be linked down below. You guys are going to enjoy her. I really do enjoy her very much. She has great content and she always uploads. She's very consistent, which is something else that I do appreciate from her. So anyway, I will catch you guys most likely with another video tomorrow. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.